everyone, this is Mike Sangvi from vlemon.com and I'm back with another tutorial series, and this tutorial series is on Power BI or Microsoft Power BI. This is the first video in this tutorial series, and in this video we are going to learn about how to download Power BI and install in our personal system. So let's start. You can download Power BI from powerbi.com. So it's powerbi.com, and when you are going to type this URL is automatically going to be redirect on powerbi.microsoft.com. Okay, so you can download Power BI desktop free of cost, but it has some limitation with the pro version. So I'm going to open pricing, and I also want to open Power BI desktop. Okay. So this is the comparison between Power BI and Power BI Pro. 1 GB for 1 GB per user. Create, view and share your personal dashboard and reports. Author content with the Power BI desktop. Explore data with natural language and so many features. There is some limitation with the 10K rows per hour. Consume content that it's scheduled to refresh daily and hourly. You can either select the free one, or you can purchase the Power BI Pro, and it costs $10, almost $10 user per month. Okay, and if you want to download, just go in products and select Power BI desktop, and here is the Power BI desktop. Click on download this to initiate the download process of Power BI. The download is started successfully. If you want a 32-bit version of Power BI desktop, then you can select advanced download option, and inside this you can select whether you want a 32-bit version or you want a 64-bit version. Right now we are downloading 64-bit version, and I want to download a 32-bit version for Power BI. So I'm going to click on download, and I'm going to select Power BI desktop.msi. This one is the 32-bit version, and the size for this is 40 or approx 50 MB, and for 64-bit is 56.1 MB. So I'm going to click on this next button. Okay, so here is my second download, and downloading is in progress, and it is hardly going to take few seconds. Once you have a required version of Power BI desktop, just click on Power Desktop start.msi file to initiate the installation process. I am using Windows 10 64-bit, so I am going to use VBI desktop underscore x64.msi. So here is the installations. Welcome to Microsoft Power BI desktop x64 setup wizard, and I don't want to help improve Microsoft Power BI desktop by sending usage information to Microsoft, and click on next and read the Microsoft license terms. Once you are ready, or once you are fine with this, click on next. And if you want to change the installation directory, then you can change it. For my installation directory, I don't want to change the installation directory, so I'm going to click on next. Yes, I want to create a desktop shortcut. Install. And if user account control asks for your permission to install this, just ensure the program name is Microsoft Power BI desktop. Verified publisher is Microsoft Corporation. If these are matching, then click on yes, and my installation progress is started successfully. So Power BI desktop x64 setup is completed successfully. I want to launch this right now, so I'm going to click on finish. So it is automatically going to launch Power BI. If you want to open Power BI from program menu, then you need to press start all apps, and I want to open Microsoft Power BI, and you can find Microsoft Power BI just here. Okay, here is your Microsoft Power BI desktop, and you can click on this Power BI desktop to launch Microsoft Power BI. So Power BI desktop is starting, and it will take some time. Don't confuse between these two icons. So this is Power BI and Power BI desktop. This is Power BI desktop. It is a desktop application which is used for creating your reports, and this is Microsoft Power BI is Windows Store app to access your published report. Okay, if you want to know how to install Power BI app, then for this you need to click on Store, and inside store you can find Power BI. Okay, and this is Microsoft Power BI. You can select this app, and again this app is free. You can click on free button to install this. Right now for me, I already installed this app in my machine, so I am not able to show you how to reinstall the same. Okay, you can find a free button here. You need to just click on the free button to initiate the installation process of Microsoft Power BI app. Now the Microsoft Power BI app and Microsoft Power BI desktop, the difference between both is that the Microsoft Power BI app is just used for accessing your published report. Okay, so you can install this app in your multiple system, in your mobile, in your tablet, in your desktop to access the published reports. Now my Power BI desktop is still opening. It will take some time to initialize, and this is the starting window of Power BI desktop. In our next video, we are going to connect our Power BI desktop with a source, and we are going to create a new report in Power BI. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to click on subscribe, like, share it with your friend, and see you all in next Power BI desktop video.